So we are going to discuss the phase test paper for phase 4 paper. Okay. And this paper was based on circle, majorly circular geometry and some associated topics. আমরা একটু এই question wise accordingly discuss করি. How many of you were comfortable in the first 3 questions or first 4 questions? Let's take how much is visible on a single time on screen. তার বেসিসে ডিসকাস করি। প্রথম 4টে কোশ্চেনে কার কি কনসার্ন বলো?
Question number 1.
কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1-এ আমাদের বলা হয়েছে the circles having radii r1 and r2 intersect such that the intersection point at the intersection point their tangents are perpendicular. Okay, so let's firstly figure that out. This is one of the circles. Let us firstly have the tangent. Is it okay, the diagram? Let the first circle having its center at some C1, they intersect at the point P. The second circle having its center at some point C2. Okay. Is the diagram clear to all? It's been narrated that the circles having radius r1 and r2 and at the intersection point the tangents are perpendicular. So we can have PC2, this line basically, PC2 is tangent to the blue circle and PC1 is tangent to the green circle, P being considered their intersection point. Is this diagram clear to all? PC1 been considered as R1 and PC2 been considered as R2. Now, from this figure, can I have C1, C2 length as already it is known to be at right angle? Anyone? Can you have C1, C2 length?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will be this length?
Sir, root of R1 square plus R2 square.
Very good. Root over R1 square plus R2 square. Now consider the triangle PC1, C2. Its area of this triangle can be written as half into R1 into R2. Okay. The same area can also be written as half into C1, C2 into, let's mark this as PD or PM. Is this comparison okay with all?
Yes, sir.
So if we consider PC1 and PC2 being two right triangles, the area can be written as, sorry, two sides at right angles, then the area can be written as half into R1 into R2. That's half into base into perpendicular. Whereas when we are considering C1, C2 being the base, then PM is the height. And if you look into the diagram, PM must be the half of the common chord, right? We know that PQ, if it has been considered PQ, just a moment, let me have the diagram corrected. So if we believe PQ was the common chord, then C1M and C2M are respectively perpendicular bisectors of PQ. Is it acceptable?
Yes, sir.
Where PM is half of common chord PQ. Is it okay? So PM is going to be R1, R2 divided by root over R1 square plus R2 square. Is that acceptable? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So can you now complete the length of common chord? PM being half of the common chord is of length R1, R2 by root over R1 square plus R2 square. So your actual answer should be, which option will be right? Hello.
Sir, first.
Sir, first.
Very good. Is it okay? Next, number 2. Any concern in number 2? Number 3, just let me know your concern so that I can discuss on that.
হ্যাঁ
I'll
স্যার
discuss only those questions. Bolo.
স্যার নাম্বার 3টা একটু বুঝিয়ে দেবেন?
Number 3. Number 2 was okay?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. The sum of all two-digit numbers which when divided by 4 yield unity as remainder. Okay. So basically you get 1 as remainder when you divide by 4. Can you tell me the smallest two-digit number satisfying so?
5।
5 is not two-digited.
আচ্ছা, টু ডিজিট হচ্ছে 13।
Very good. So basically question number 3 asks you to add 13. Then next one,
Next one will be 17,
Very good. Next one.
21,
And
25.
how long
Uh,
it is asking you to add? The greatest two-digit number which satisfies you.
97.
Very good. That's absolutely correct. Okay. And you can identify this one being 4 into 3 plus 1,
Yes,
and the last one is 4 into 24 plus 1.
yes, sir.
So basically, the number of terms in this addition, same as starting from 3 going up to 24, number of integers, because we are continuing from 1 more than third multiple of 4 to 1 more than 24th multiple of 4.
Yes.
The numbers following any particular pattern, any progression, or any specific sequence.
AP to.
Very good. So as it is AP, you do know the common difference.
Ha.
So number of terms is 24 minus 3
Yes.
plus 1.
Ha.
Okay. And why it is 24 minus 3 plus 1?
Sir, because we are including the 4 into 3 plus 1 also.
Yes. Like prior to the third multiple, we had only two multiples. So basically,
Yes.
2 should be subtracted from 24. So you
Ha.
can make
Ha.
it a pattern as 24, the last multiple, minus 3, the first multiple of this consideration, plus 1, because actually we were supposed to subtract 1 less. That's number of
Hmm.
terms.
Okay.
Multiplied with, you can go by average of the first and last term. As per the idea of adding AP, it will provide us, so that gives
Yes.
you 22 into 55.
Hmm.
So can it be completed now? Just the
Yes, sir.
multiplication to be done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you all comfortable with the idea of question number 2? Divisible by 3 or 5 or 7. So over here it's like union of 3 sets, right? For question number 2, I'm just drawing a diagram that will remind you which will be the most justified idea here. Like if I consider this rectangle is going to be representing the numbers lying between 1 and 100 and both inclusive. Basically, all the numbers 1 to 100 is been represented as this universal set, and then we are going for divisible by 3. Say this is divisible by 5, and say this is, the other number was 7. Okay, so 3K, I have given the name of the set which are divisible by 3. Then this one is 5K and the last one is 7K. and you have been asked about cardinality of the union. Rest you can recall how to go for this question. Adding the individual cardinalities, subtracting the cardinalities of the common part, and then adding back the cardinality of common part of all three. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so out of 4 and 5, which one to be discussed? Someone raised query for 5? 5 কে জিজ্ঞাসা করলে বলো?
স্যার আমি দীপায়ন।
দীপায়ন। দীপায়ন ডায়াগ্রামটা দেখালে বাকিটা করতে পারবে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার এবার দেখিয়ে দিন।
Okay. For question number 5, it asks you 3 parallel chords of a circle are of length 3, 5, and 7 units, and they are subtending angle alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta at the center. You need to find cos alpha. Now, the first thing to identify the angle subtension of a chord for a circle does not require any specific positioning. Doesn't matter where the chord is in the circle. If the length is fixed, the angle subtension is also fixed. So in this question, the word parallel does not make much sense. That's the first observation. Like even if we consider 3 chords of this length, 3 unit, 5 unit, and 7 units, and even if they are not parallel, still the angle subtension will remain alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
The second portion is the angles. It's not alpha, beta, and some random gamma as the third angle. For 3 chords, the angles been marked alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta. So based on that, if we construct a circle, let this is 3 unit chord, and just from the adjacent position, if I consider this is 5 unit chord, let's give them name AB as 3 unit chord and BC as 5 unit chord. So from the center of the circle, we can identify this subtended angle is alpha and the other part has to be beta. Is it acceptable? As angle subtension of the chords, not relying over how they are positioned, parallel, non-parallel, adjacent, or overlapping in some portion, the angle subtension will remain the same. So we have just considered 2 chords of length 3 unit and 5 unit respectively, having a common end like it is showing in the diagram. B is that common end. Still the angle subtensions will remain the same. But now already the diagram has an angle. Let's mark the center as O. So in this diagram, angle AOC is already alpha plus beta. Is it
হ্যাঁ
okay? Acceptable?
হ্যাঁ
And that guarantees AC has to be 7.
হ্যাঁ
Okay. So AB been considered 3, BC been considered 5, and that implied AC has to be 7. Moreover, if AB subtends angle alpha at center, can you answer what angle will it subtend at any point of the major arc?
আলফা
I'm repeating the question once more. A chord AB subtending angle alpha at center. We need to identify what angle will be subtended by the same chord at any point of major arc.
আলফা বাই 2
Very good. So this angle has to be alpha by 2. Now, from triangle ABC, we identified angle ACB being alpha by 2, and all the three side lengths of this triangle are known. Hence, using cosine formula, cos of alpha by 2 can be written as sum of the squares of the arm length. Now, for angle ACB, AC is 7 and BC is 5. So, sum of the squares for arm length minus square of opposite side length divided by twice the product of arm length. Can you simplify this value?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
What it will be? 65 by
70
very good. So can we cancel them out to get into 13 by 14?
হ্যাঁ
Now this is the value for cos alpha by 2, right?
হুম
And our requirement was cos alpha, which is 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Okay. So that's 2 into 169 by 196 minus 1, right? Is it okay?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
একবার দেখে নিন question requirement cos alpha ছিল, yes. So accordingly what we are reduced to is 169 by 98. That leads to 71 by 98. Is it okay to all? Hello.
হ্যাঁ
Yes,
স্যার
sir.
So are the first 5 questions clear for all? Okay. Now let's have a look towards question number 6. 6, 7, 8. Any concern?
Sir, 8.
8. 6 and 7 okay for all? In question number 8, it's been said two circles intersect at 2 points B and C. Through B, two line segments ABD and PBQ are drawn to intersect the circles at AD and PQ respectively. You need to identify angle ACP. Okay? So let's have a fresh diagram. I'm writing it here. So it's been said BC is the common chord. Now two lines are drawn through point B. Okay. This one is PBQ and ABD. Okay. We need to identify the angle ACP. Is the diagram okay? Diagram clear, Shabar? This angle is our query. Any identification that you are getting from this diagram? Two intersecting circles are given. Anyone?
Sir,
Any idea?
sir,
Bolo.
first, sir, angle ACP equal to angle ABP হবে।
Very good. ABP. Yes.
ABP।
This angle is also the same because both are described on the arc
হ্যাঁ,
AP and it's been on the major arc.
হুম।
Okay. Next.
আর স্যার ওর পরে হচ্ছে যদি আমরা ওই সার্কেলটা ওই ডিসি জয়েন করি আর কিউসি জয়েন করি, তাহলে ওর পরে আমরা ওখানে পেয়ে যাবো যে এবিপি ইকুয়াল টু কিউবিডি, কেন ভার্টিক্যালি অপোজিট।
Very good.
আর ওর পরে তো হচ্ছে কিউবিডি ইকুয়াল টু হচ্ছে ডিসি কিউ, তাহলে ওটাতে আমরা বলতে পারি যে এসিপি ইকুয়াল টু ডিসি কিউ।
Very good. Absolutely correct. Is it okay with all? Over here, we just need to compare them with QPC, angle ADC, angle BAC, and angle DCQ. So let's identify who else are satisfying it. So first identification was angle PBA. Is it okay to all? Exactly vertically opposite angle. This is also the same. Next, join DC and QC. So DQ arc already subtending a particular angle at B. C being again another point on the major arc about DQ. So even the angle over here also supposed to be the same angle. So what we are searching for, that's equal with PBA and its vertically opposite angle DBQ, and then equal angle about DQ as DCQ. Is the justification clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So up to 8, is it okay?
স্যার 7টা একবার একটু দেখিয়ে দেবেন?
Yes. If x be real, then maximum value of the expression 4 plus 10x minus 5x square. That's a quadratic with leading coefficient being negative. So you can go direct. Question number 7, right? 4 plus
Yes,
10x minus 5x square. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, you can say leading coefficient is minus 5, that's negative. So minimum value minus d by 4a, where d stands for discriminant and a is the leading coefficient, sorry, maximum value. That's the leading coefficient, negative. So the minimum value will be approaching minus infinite and the maximum value will be minus d by 4a. Here reference of a is minus 5, b is positive 10 and c is 4. So discriminant capital D will be b square minus 4ac makes it 180. So minus d by 4a what it should be? Is this okay?
yes, sir.
Alternatively, if you have somehow failed to recall this particular references, still you can consider 10x and minus 5x square are the only two variable associated term.
Yes, sir.
So keeping 4 aside, you can make it 4 minus 5 into x square minus 2x, right?
Yes, sir.
For perfect square transformation, you need a plus 1 here and as balancing part
হ্যাঁ,
of 5 into 1, we have introduced minus 5 into 1. So balancing part plus 5 has to be kept. That makes the expression 9 minus 5 into x minus 1 whole square. Now, as x minus 1 whole square is never negative, so 9 minus 5 into x minus 1 whole square, that will definitely be greater than equals to 9.
Yes.
Is the justification okay? So question number 7 and 8, both clear to all? Anything out of question number 9 or 10? Anyone? Any concern in 9 or 10?
No,
Sorry?
no, sir.
Okay. So I'm skipping this one. Okay. 11, 12, 13. Any concern?
Sir,
This
11 and
question's
12.
readable. আরেকবার বলবে please.
Sir, 11 and 12.
11 and 12. From a point P, the length of tangent to a circle is 4 units. Q is a point on the extension of chord of contact due to P and the circle, and length of tangent from Q to the circle is 3. You need to find the length of PQ. So let's firstly have the diagram. So let's say this is point P. Let's name the tangents from P as PA and PB. This is another point Q. And if we mark this point as T, so what we have, let's firstly chalk that out. PA and PB are equal, being length of tangent, and each of the length being said 4. Okay. And as per diagram, QT is 3 units. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, as we are interested in PQ, let's firstly connect P with the center of the circle. Okay. If this angle is theta, can you tell me how much angle will be the half of angle APB. Hello.
Sir, 90 minus theta.
Very good. So if we mark this angle as theta, then this angle has to be 90 degree minus theta. The other portion is also going to be same. That is also 90 degree minus theta. Right?
Yes.
So the total angle APB is
So 180 minus 2 theta.
180 degree
very
minus 2
good.
theta.
So let angle PAB is theta. That has given us angle APB being 180 degree minus theta. Sorry, 180 degree minus 2 theta. And hence the opposite exterior angle, angle PBQ, being the sum of the opposite two interior angles. So that becomes 180 degree minus theta. Right? Now, from triangle PAQ, PQ, better to say cos theta is equal with AP square plus AQ square minus PQ square by twice AP into AQ. Can I write that? Is it okay to all? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whereas from triangle PBQ, it is cos 180 degree minus theta. That has to be same as PB square plus BQ square minus PQ square by twice PB into BQ. Now, any connection between these two? Cos theta and cos 180 degree minus theta?
The cos theta is negative of cos 180 minus theta.
Very good. So we can go for cos theta is equals to, or better to say, cos theta plus cos 180 degree plus theta, sorry, 180 degree minus theta is 0, right? So this expression for cos theta is going to be Any confusion in this step? এই স্টেপটা ক্লিয়ার সবার?
Yes.
Now from the denominator, twice PB and twice PA are identically same, hence can be left out. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So AP, which was how much length it was? 4. That's been equal with PB square. So we are going to get 4 squared into 1 by AQ plus 1 by BQ from the other part. Is this step okay? AP square by AQ, this is one connection, and PB square by BQ, that's another connection, right? Then the middle portion, AQ square by AQ, so that can be written as only AQ, while on the other part it's BQ square by BQ, so that BQ is equals to PQ square into 1 by QA or 1 by AQ plus 1 by BQ, right? Is it okay to all? এই স্টেপটা পর্যন্ত ক্লিয়ার?
Yes, sir.
So that's 16 into BQ plus AQ by AQ into BQ minus AQ plus BQ that's PQ square Is it done? Clear? So what we are getting as common of these three terms?
So
AQ
AQ plus
plus
BQ.
PQ.
This BQ plus AQ. Q being a point on the extension, so PQ whole square is same as QA into QB. Is it justified from the diagram? So it's 16 by 9. Is it okay? Sorry,
Sir,
I
could you
mistakenly
explain why
written.
AQ into BQ is 9?
It's yes. You have been given with length of tangent from point Q is 3 unit, right?
Yes, sir. Hmm.
So TQ into TQ must be same as BQ into AQ.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay? Gives PQ as 5.